Okay guys, so I wanted to do an unboxing of Curology with y'all. This is actually my second box, so I've already been using it for about 3 or 4 weeks. I haven't even ran out of my other bottle yet, and I've been buying the small one, but, so, this is what it looks like when you open it up. And there's the bottle. So, I'm sure if you're watching this, you've probably heard of Curology. And basically how it works is you send in pictures to these doctors or dermatologists or whatever, and they create a formula for you. And I have a friend who did it, and she got the same kind of deal as I did. I think the ingredients were probably almost the same. But hers was also a night cream. I don't know if that's how everybody's is. But, so this was mine. It's a nightly ritual. So what it says is apply Curology once daily before bed, wash your face, and allow skin to dry. Apply a dime-size amount to your face and neck, dab evenly, and rub in. So, they do say, just like with any other product that you're starting for acne, it can make you break out first. So it can get worse before it gets better. But I didn't have that problem, thankfully, and I've never had awful acne, but I've always had bad acne down here. So, as you can see right now, I don't really have anything. I think I have like one zit over here, but it's not even a zit, and when I do get them, it's around my period, and they heal much quicker. So, I did Proactive, I've done Clean and Clear, and Clear Seal, and my dog is walking around, and nothing really helped, and my skin seems to get worse in the winter, I guess because of the dryness. But, what do you want? I'm trying to do something. Go lay down. So, so anyway, this has been excellent and amazing, and my friend who's doing it has been now doing it for, I believe she's on her third week, and she really likes it as well, and she was trying to get rid of all of her acne before, her wedding, and what I think is really cool is it's like a prescription. It actually has your name on the bottle. Okay. If she wants to be in the video, say hi. Say hi. Pain in the butt. Go lay down. So, I just wanted to give everybody my very unbiased opinion because I don't get paid for this. I just have, probably like a lot of you, I've tried everything and I love this stuff. It smells a little weird, but I mean, most acne medication doesn't smell great. So far I've really liked it. It's been excellent for me. It's not the cheapest, but it's not ridiculously expensive. I think I pay $20 a month for this bottle. You can kind of see the size. And again, I haven't even gone through my last one yet, and I've already gotten my second one. The only thing I wish is if you could change the frequency on how frequently it ships to you, because it looks like it kind of has to do it every month. So I might have to cancel it and then reactivate it when I need it again, just because I'm not going through this as fast as I think most people do, probably because I'm really not using it on my whole face. I'm only using it on my problem area down here. But if anybody has any questions, comments, concerns, or anything, I will answer them to the best of my ability, and thanks for watching.